In this video guys, I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem which says you can't interact with certain account on Instagram. So if you're having this problem on your Instagram account, you can't interact with certain account, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem. So the first one, all you have to do now, close your Instagram. After you close the Instagram, now go to your Play Store or App Store and start by updating your application. So I'll go ahead now and search for Instagram on my Instagram, on my Play Store. Just go and search for Instagram on Play Store or App Store. Just search for Instagram like this and tap on this update button. So as you can see now my Instagram need update. So now tap on this update button to update your Instagram. After you finish updating your Instagram, now go back and open up now your Instagram app like this. So after you open the Instagram app like this now, now go to this menu at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, go to this menu at the top left side. Now scroll all the way to down. After you scroll all the way to down, now tap on this log out. So now go ahead and log out on your Instagram account. After you log out on your Instagram account, then log in again. After you log in again, from there, now you need to do two things. That's if you log in again, all you have to do now, you need to make sure you stop following people on Instagram for like 3 days. You need to stop liking people post on your Instagram for like 3 days. After you do this, you need to stop commenting on people on Instagram just for like 2 to 3 days. Stop commenting, stop stop liking people post, and stop like sharing. Just stop following people. So if you stop interacting with other people post on Instagram, from there Instagram will detect your account is a human account. So the reason why Instagram is giving you this message that it is because that Instagram used to see your account that you are following more people, you are liking more posts on your Instagram, and you are like doing random things on your Instagram. So Instagram flag your account as like it is robot account, not a real human account. So if you stop doing this thing for like 2 to 3 days or 4 days, from there your Instagram account will start working properly. That's it guys. Just stop following people, stop liking, and stop sharing, and stop commenting for like 2 to 3 days. If you try this one, your problem will be solved. That's it guys on how to fix you can't interact with certain accounts on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.